Yeah, it's me coming back at you again with another video on how I gradually upgraded my tank. I added a man-made waterfall. Shout out to my boy Dan at Petco. He did the waterfall for me. And I'm gonna give you guys a close-up of how that looks. It's actually really nice. He did a really good job. I'm gonna add some fish later. I gotta have it running for 24 hours. I just put it in the tank. It's my big boy right there. Healthy. Female. He lost a finger and a nail, but still very healthy, super huge. Just decided to put a bigger tub in there. Given the fact that Godzilla started getting too big to fit in the one that was in there, which is this little small thing right here. He couldn't fit in there anymore, so I had to upgrade. I really like this fixture. It's nice. She chilling. I'm gonna add more leaves and things around to hide more. I'm gonna put some substrate on the back wall to hide the cord. So, I think it looks really well in there. Subscribe, hit like, let me know what you think. If you have any questions that you might need some answers to, leave a comment. Thank you.